Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogs. We are headed out to the beach. It's a beach vlog. We're gonna see how if David can swim, and we're gonna have a good time. I got a new camera. I don't know how good it is. I think it's pretty good, but the camera seems pretty good when I was testing it out. It's a Sony ZV F1, and so far it's been really good. Everyone's coming to the lake. It's gonna be a good time, and right now we're just chilling in Blanskar, going to it. So let's just keep going to the lake. We're going to LA in a couple days, so there's gonna be a whole series of vlogs coming out. Hello. And
We got
David.
Here you come. We got La.
But yeah, before I was interrupted by Duluth, we're going to the lake and we'll have a good time. So let's see how this new camera will capture everything. Duluth.
Yeah.
So David, want to tell us why you're not coming to LA?
Because I'm black.
That's scary.
Alright guys, we are at the lake. Where's Mendes? And we'll have a good time. It's fucking crowded as hell, so that is not good, but still have a good time, right dude?
People of mass mass, people of mass mass, people of mass mass, people of mass mass, people of mass mass. People of mass mass, people of mass mass, people of mass mass, people of mass.
Wait, hold on. You can
Please
flip
don't
it.
break it like Lego piece. So cute. My hair is.
Alright, shout out here, beach bud.
Yeah.
Holy! It's never been this crowded when we came before.
Holy cannoli! What's so crowd?
Oh, what's so cute?
Came at prime time.
What's so cute?
You haven't aged. What was your age?
Oh my gosh. Is this? I can't see the Don Dupes. Don Dupes, if you're enjoying the vlog, please leave a like. Look at this. Look at this.
Is that the shutter speed? What's the shutter speed?
10 Don Dupe shutter speed.
Stop.
1,000 no, 1 out of 2,500.
Is that not good?
That's scary.
This camera looks very
Sounds
good,
like shutter
I think.
Did I give you permission to vlog me?
Oh shit. I'll crop you out. Please. But yeah,
Can you put an emoji
we're waiting
over
for
it?
everybody.
Can you put the Vietnam flag emoji over my fist?
Yes, David. Okay, so this is fucking not idiot. Okay, we're waiting for everybody else. Mendes was right behind us, but
Why does Mendes
now
have-
he's not here. But everyone else should be here soon, so
Mendes have his bug?
I'll catch you guys when they're back. Is this a wild Mendes? Ryan Mendes. Let's see those NFL quarterback skills. Okay, okay. Damn!
Yo,
Where'd it go? Is that a new world record?
I think guys bringing it
I
back.
found it.
Damn.
It just
Oh
flew back
shit.
Oh shit.
from over there.
Damn. Damn, God give you the time. Alright, now we have Mendes and waiting for everybody else. Fawad, Michael, and Brady. We don't know where they are. It's packed as hell. So we're kind of fucked. But we're gonna have a good time still. We're gonna figure out what to do. But yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, he's gonna catch it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it.
Wow,
Don't
look at
miss
these
it.
people.
Don't miss it.
Wow. Wow, this is the quarterback for the Vikings. Oh my gosh, look at this guy.
Okay.
Wow. What the hell? Hard. Look at this. Look at that throw. Phenomenal. Wow. Interception.
Okay.
Oh, dude, what do you have to say?
你好，我很喜欢 football.
Football. Who is Bradley? We're waiting for Bradley.
Our second guest has arrived.
Can't fit it,
State your
man.
name. And now we're still waiting for everybody else. Alright guys, we just got done swimming. I did not have that many clips because I really want to take the camera underwater. But I did get some clips. Oh, the sun's really bright. I did get some clips. Yeah, there should be some. Right now, we just got done swimming. We're about to go eat, but we just played some volleyball. Yeah, I just got done playing volleyball. They're still playing volleyball. It was a good day of swimming. I fucking hurt my arm somehow, but we'll be good. And yeah, let's see the lads playing volleyball. It's 3-on-3. I heard these were ex-volleyball pros, all D1 commits. Never mind, D2 commits. D3 commits. Maybe star player, David Mai. Alright, never mind. Yeah, these guys actually suck. Oh.
Keep it up, ready?
So yeah, we're gonna get done playing volleyball. We're gonna go eat, and overall pretty good day. It's just a short little vlog. Still gonna see what we're gonna eat because we haven't decided, but
I can't, he's watching me.
it's not bad. Especially since we're about to go to LA soon. Let me sit down real quick. Yeah, just a short little vlog before we head out to LA. I just want to see how the camera works. It looks like it works pretty well. Yeah, we just had fun at Long Lake, and it was a pretty fun day. LA will be really fun. Can't wait for that. Made some daily vlogs of each day, stay in 1 week, so it's really exciting. And that's pretty much it. I don't know what's gonna go on in LA. We got some things planned. We got the Getty, we got Yosemite planned and such, but still more to be seen. But I am pretty hungry. I hope the lads are hungry, and let's go see where we're gonna eat. Guys, we got to Chili's. My hair is fucking me up, but we are here. And Mendes took his sweet ass time, so we still have to wait for him. He missed an exit. He missed an exit right there. He took the right when you're supposed to come here. So Mendes can't drive, confirmed. But we're about to eat Chili's. I'm hungry as fuck.
Did I give you permission to vlog me?
I'll put emoji. What emoji do you want?
Put the monkey emoji.
Okay, well.
But
$20.
I'm down.
Down.
Wait, you can get 3 of these for 20?
David, how grown?
Yeah.
Dude, what's the protein to fat ratio in this? I think it's like extravagantly like.
Alright guys,
Look,
my Chili's.
and then you can
We're gonna get food and we're gonna eat. And
I can only afford this much.
yeah, I'm very hungry.
ăn thử bạn được.
Do you see my dad?
Don't see me. Why?
White dog. White dog. White dog. White dog so cute. White dog look like.
Where's the drink?
Dude, I am starving, bro. Is that banana?
Yeah.
I'm so fucking hungry. I'm gonna gamble and
Explain to us why you're late.
why I'm late. Oh my god, bro. There's some kids on the road. Like I had to get a car wash. Whole story.
Dude, I kind of want to just.
Future vlogger, you gonna be in LA?
Dude, this is fucking sick, bro. How does this work? You just choose your thing.
They gave me a corn. They gave me a corn after I substituted it, but I ain't complaining.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
full order when I asked for a half.
You want any corn, David?
Damn.
Hey, man, I ain't complaining.
Alright, David. Alright, Mendes, how are you feeling?
I'm at 140. I'm at 140.
Dude, that's not healthy. Okay, 140. That's not healthy. It's not. Dude, slow down. He's at 140.
Don't worry. I've sit down for 170.
Well, Mendes, I hope you do not die soon.
This vlog might end in the hospital.
We're slowly going up.
Like, hey guys, we're in Kevin's nurse room.
Dude, that's actually scary, bro. Alright guys, we're watching the game. We're gonna finish eating.
Can we go play tennis?
What the hell is that? We're gonna finish eating and then we are gonna set up. So yeah. The food was good. Food was great. Alright guys, we're done with Applebee's, Chili's. It was really good, really good. Today was a good day. Today was a good day. Everyone's full. They're going to Keys Park, but I'm going home because I gotta help my parents. But today was a pretty good day. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. LA vlog will be up soon. It's a short little vlog of just some lakes and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. And bye, Dundoops.
Can you do a dubstep outro?
Alright, bye guys.